My certified roofer wants his pig's ear right. Spin, spin, sit, 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 sit. All right, anyways, guys, so today we're going to be working on the Polaris 330. The quad technically keeps skipping the gears in the back. The chain is very loose, so we're going to adjust it today. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. All right, so jumping right in, we're going to have 4 things we're going to want to loosen. You're going to have 2 5/8 bolts. There's going to be nuts on the bottom. You're going to want to loosen them up. Man, buddy, you are chewing loud over there. Anyway, you're going to have 2 5/8 bolts. You're going to want to loosen them up. Don't take them out. You got 2 clamps right here, here, and here. That if you take them off, you can shimmy the whole axle and then it's out of alignment. We don't want to do that. So only loosen them up. Then we have this bolt, and literally on the other side of this bracket for your caliper is going to be, they're going to be 1/2 inch. You know what? Loosen them up too. Once we get that far, then we're going to turn the axle towards the front of the vehicle. It's actually going to pull it back and tighten this sloppy chain. You can even see how it's kind of buckled there. So, you know, that's no good. We got to tighten that up. All right. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to turn the axle. You want to turn it towards the front of the vehicle. It's actually going to pivot it and bring it back. I'm going to be using big old channel locks. I believe I picked these up at Harbor Freight for about like $8. So either that or a big adjustable will work too. Just a quick thing. I figured I might have mentioned earlier that you got to pull it towards. What I meant is when you're pivoting it, you're actually kind of pulling back at it. You're gonna pull backwards to you, which is gonna pivot the whole axle up and back. So now I believe we got where we need it to be. It's got to be within like a 1/2 inch worth of play. If you don't have that, it'll be too tight and it could snap. So in the fact that we got some play here, say that's about a 1/2 inch of up and down play. We're going to tighten everything up and take it for a ride. Be right back. Alright, so that's how you pretty much adjust your chain. It's a little bit more than what I wanted it to be. It's about 1 inch of play. But I took it for a ride back and forth, besides the fact that it died on me like 3 times. It didn't skip. It felt good. It felt strong. So, next we just gotta, keep it running good, probably clean out the carbs or, whatever's next. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace out.